Disclaimer: this material is for informational purposes only and does not constitute a call to action. Trading involves risks. Access to the bot is granted only if all rules are followed. Hello everyone, dear friends. Today I will be trading using my AI-based trading analytics robot, which will provide me with signals. Based on these signals, I will open trades and check whether its signals are truly accurate and whether I can make a profit from the signals provided by my trading robot. So, I wish you an enjoyable viewing of this video. But before that, here are some reviews from my subscribers who are already trading with me in my team and using this robot. So you can take a look at them, see for yourself and make your own decision. Now I'm starting my trading session. I will be trading with a deal amount of $1,000. The duration of my trades will be 1 minute. I'm moving on to the first asset, the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. I open this trading asset on the robot. I close, or rather, I open a signal for 1 minute and the trading robot tells me to sell. I have opened this trade, and now I will conduct my fundamental and technical analysis. I see a strong dynamic downward price movement here. At the same time, the price is currently in a local resistance zone from which a downward reversal is potentially expected. That's why I'm more than confident that the signal's 91% accuracy is correct. Accordingly, I'm expecting a price decline here. Overall, everything is happening just as it is on the chart right now. I see that the price has dropped down. I see that it continues to fall. The difference is already more than 50 points at this moment. The price keeps falling, all thanks to the correct signal. That's why I'm confident that I'll potentially earn $920 in a minute thanks to this trade. That's it, a phenomenal result. The price was predicted precisely, and in fact this trade has now closed in profit. $920 in profit. An excellent result, just as I said, all thanks to this robot. By the way, this trading robot is absolutely free. I'll leave a link to it in the description below this video. But please remember something important. Always keep in mind that trading involves risk and you should always approach every decision carefully. So go ahead and try out the trading robot, earn money, and importantly, please leave your feedback. Whether everything is going well for you or if there's something you'd like to see improved in the robot, be sure to share your thoughts. Now, let's move on to our next significant asset for analysis. This particular asset will be the highly influential Swiss franc, a currency known for its stability and strength, and the Japanese yuan, which is also referred to as the Chinese yuan, a major currency in Asian markets. So let's open this asset on the robot as well. Now I'm looking for the data, Swiss franc, Japanese yuan, to launch a signal for 1 minute. The trading robot says to buy, even though the price has already gone up quite a bit. The robot believes, based on its analysis of the most important and key factors, that the price will continue to rise. So we can see there's a good upward trend dynamic here after a long decline. In fact, the trend was initially upward as well. Then the price reached some sort of local historical maximum. After that it dropped. A slight consolidation trend for buying is forming. There are minor buy orders and price pushes upward, after which the price suddenly starts trading higher. Accordingly, I'm predicting here an absolutely correct outcome, just as the trading robot did. The main thing is simply that the price closes above the entry point where we opened the position. If that happens, then we'll make a profit. And that's exactly what happened. I'm satisfied with the result. I earned $920 on this asset. The total profit amounted to $1,840 in just a couple of minutes of trading. I am very pleased with the result. Everything is clear to me. The trading robot provided me with absolutely accurate signals, thanks to which I earned this profit. Once again, friends, I want to remind you that in my public Telegram channel, I post daily trading signals, which you can follow to achieve similar results together with me. I also offer my own course for free, where I explain how to make money from trading and what you need to do so. But it's also important to note, as I always say and emphasize, that trading is quite a risky profession because here you can both earn and lose money. I've never hidden this and never will, because I always stand for honesty. Honesty is above all else. And it's important to me that every participant, every student, every subscriber, and every viewer of mine understands that things aren't all rosy here. But there is always a risk of losing your capital. There is a risk of losing the capital you've earned. But at the same time, there is an opportunity and potential to earn more than you do at your regular job, for example. For instance, I came here because I was earning little, and I decided to change my life. And today, I earn quite a decent amount of money. But that's my experience. But on my part, I will help my students in every way I can, free of charge. With that, we wrap up our instructional video. I wish each of you a great day and see you next time. Goodbye everyone.